everyone says no code is the future. Also, everyone says AI will replace developers. Both takes are lazy. Here is the truth for solopreneurs. No code are the tools that let you build apps, website without requiring to write you the codes. However, AI code, those are tools that use AI to write, debug, and scale your code for you. The advantages of no code because it is fast to launch, it is cheap upfront, it also great for MVPs. However, the other negative side for no code include vendor lock-in because they are always locked. You have to pay upfront before you use the product. They also limited the customization, which means you only use the pre-built features or built-in features. That means you don't have the option to add your own feature. They also are scaling pain. If you want to expand your project, it is going to be difficult because it requires you to work with those people who have developed a no-code application or no-code system. It is also hard to differentiate as you always rely on the no-code building features or pre-built templates. Now let's look on AI code advantages. The advantage of AI code include real ownership of the product as you are the one who is working on the product only. It also unlimited customization. It have easier to scale, and also it builds long-term skills. While you are building a project, you are building these skills, and you can even either add your customization features according to the one you need to be adding. However, there are other negative side of the AI code processes. Those include steep learning curve as you need to first, of course, have skills and knowledge to be able to understand what you are building on. Also, you need to be to take much responsibility for your project from the start to the end. Another thing, it can break if you don't understand the basics. You should be understanding the basics of the project you're building to avoid any breakdown that can be happening. No code is better for testing ideas, and AI code is for building real businesses. Also, no code is used if you are validating an idea, and you can also use it if you need something very fast. For instance, within 48 hours, you can use if you don't care about long-term techie data. And also, you can use AI code if you want to real product, if you want plan to scale in the future or to expand the project in the future. If you care about ownership and the flexibility, also AI code can be very easy or very useful. And also if you want to leverage not just speed, if you want to take your time in the video project other than making it fast. Smart solopreneurs don't pick sides. They use no code to validate and AI code to dominate. That means the smart solopreneurs can be able to use them both. However, they use them in different ways, either validating and also by dominating. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any question or suggestion, remember to leave in the comment section, and also remember to subscribe to this channel, KNOWMAX TV, and turn on the bell button so as you always get notified when you upload a new video here at KNOWMAX TV.